In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link two separate accounts in Amazon Household. If you've ever wondered how to connect your Amazon accounts with someone else in your household to share benefits and purchases, you've come to the right place. Follow along, and by the end, you'll have everything set up and ready to go. First, make sure you're on Amazon's homepage by going to Amazon.com. You'll need to log in with your account credentials. You should see the familiar site loaded up with personalized recommendations and the top navigation bar, indicating that you're logged in successfully. Once you've confirmed you're in, move your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see an account button. Click on it, and this will take you to a new page with all sorts of options regarding your account settings. Now on this page, look for an option labeled Your Amazon Family. Clicking here is the crucial next step because it's how we'll access Amazon Household, which helps you share content and benefits with family members. Once you're there, you'll observe a new icon. Go ahead and click on that. It's essentially the gateway to add new members to your Amazon household. You will be presented with the option to add either an adult or a child. Since we're focusing on linking two separate adult accounts, select Add Adult. After selecting that option, the system will then prompt you to link. You might be thinking, what does this mean for me? Linking is how you and another adult in your household will be able to share Amazon benefits, from Prime shipping to shared digital content. Now, before you move on, the platform will ask for your country of residence, so ensure you select the correct country from the list provided. With the country selected, click Continue. This step makes sure everything about your account complies with regional settings Amazon operates under. Following that, you'll be asked to input the name and email of the person you wish to invite to your Amazon household. Type those in carefully to make sure the invitation reaches the right person. Once you've entered the necessary information, click Continue again. You'll see an option to Agree and Continue. This agreement is important because it outlines the sharing agreement you'll be entering into with another account. Finally, if you have digital content like ebooks, apps, or games that you want to share, make sure to check off the choices that interest you. Once everything is set, click on Send Invitation. And that's it. You've successfully sent an invitation to link the other account to your Amazon household. Once the invitee accepts the invitation, you'll be all set to enjoy shared benefits and purchases. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.